This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 5th of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather again today, amazingly mild. Got a few spotty showers around, really not that many. In fact, let's go right to the radar. Going live a little earlier than usual today. We're live at 1:17. And again, you can see just scattered showers in progress across the state, gradually moving to the east. Got some pretty decent showers falling south of Birmingham, parts of southern Shelby and southern Talladega counties. Got a few showers over Tuscaloosa, Fayette, Lamar, Marion counties in West Alabama. And down in southwest Alabama, showers we note down in parts of Clark and Choctaw counties. In fact, while the radar is up, let's go down to the Mobile radar. Pretty quiet there. Showers are pretty far north of Mobile. We'll check the southeastern part of the state. And again, just not much happening there. The bulk of the showers will be across the northern and central counties for this afternoon and this evening. And again, there might be a bit of thunder in spots, but severe storms are not expected here. There's a look at the upper air pattern today. We got a trough coming into the Pacific Northwest. That's producing a lot of snow there for Montana and some of the adjacent states. A lot of rain down to the south, valley rain down into California. Check the visible satellite view. A lot of clouds around today, not much sun. Looks like the bulk of the sun is over the northeastern and southwestern corners of the state. And there's the radar composite this afternoon. Again, you can see just the scattered showers in progress. See a few thunderstorms up in Tennessee. Still very mild. Most spots are in the 70s. Now, a few locations are in the 60s. And again, we're going a little early today. These were captured about 1 o'clock. Tuscaloosa 65 because of clouds. Birmingham and Huntsville 73. Montgomery 75. Mobile, a lot of clouds. They currently have 68. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. We have winter weather advisories from near Kansas City to Chicago through much of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and parts of New England. Winter storm warnings for parts of Montana, Oregon, Northern California. And again, there's a very small, low-end, marginal risk of severe storms for the rest of today and tonight, north of Alabama, places like Nashville, Louisville, and Cincinnati. And there could be a few storms there with gusty winds. Tomorrow, same thing, a very small, low-end, marginal risk of severe storms north of Alabama. And on day 3, which is Friday, no thunderstorms at all expected across the country. So this is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. And really, the good rains will be in here by the middle of next week. It looks like the more widespread rain will begin Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. That should be the heaviest rain, although we'll have the chance of these spotty showers around between now and Monday. Heavier totals over the next 7 days. The Tennessee Valley, rain amounts there about 2.5 inches. 1 to 2 inches, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, 1 inch or less for South Alabama. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3. And again, a westerly flow, a zonal flow. And there could be a few small showers around, but the better chance of showers tomorrow will most likely be north of Alabama, parts of Tennessee and southern Kentucky. The sky cloudy at times. High should be in the 70s. Again, almost 20 degrees above average. This is Friday. Same thing. Some sun. We'll have the chance of isolated showers. Most places dry. Highs in the 70s. And Saturday, as the weekend begins, mid to upper 70s. We might see some spots touching 80 down in South Alabama. And the better chance of rain Saturday should be north of the state. And again, there might be some nasty icing around Chicago and a lot of snow from Minneapolis, St. Paul, Madison, Milwaukee, over toward Detroit. But again, down here, nothing like that. Warm and basically dry. Sunday, the GFS continues to trend drier and warmer. Highs in the low 70s for South Alabama, upper 60s for the northern part of the state as a surface boundary sags in from the north. And then Monday, that front's going to stall out. And a series of low-pressure waves will likely move on the front, so the chance of showers will increase Monday. Monday's high, again, most places in the low 70s. And then a pretty good rain event coming up on Tuesday. This is Tuesday of next week. This could be a good soaker for the state. And again, the highs will be in the 60s for most of Alabama because of clouds and rain. And this is a week from today, Wednesday the 12th. We have troughing over the western states. And again, a stalled surface front and a lot of rain. So the latest run here suggesting a good rain Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Most places in the state will likely see 1 to 2 inches of rain, beneficial rain. Let's keep going. This is out 10 days. This is Saturday the 15th of February, mid-month. Again, troughing well to the north and west. It looks pretty quiet and pretty comfortable. Highs would be in the 60s if this is right. Big storm up north around the Great Lakes, but that's far, far to the north. And again, we stress we see no evidence of any snow or ice or Arctic blasts here for the next couple of weeks. Rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean about 4 inches between now and the 20th of February. Again, a lot of that's going to be coming in here next week. And the latest numbers coming off the National Blend of Models, NBM. Highs in the 70s through Saturday, close to 70 on Sunday and Monday. And then we fall back in the mid to upper 50s by Wednesday and Thursday. And that's seasonal. That's where we should be this time of the year. But then we go right back in the low to mid 60s by the 14th and the 15th. So again, you can see there's just no evidence of an upper pattern that's going to get some really cold air in here. Could that change? Of course it could change later this month or in March. We all know that anything goes around here in late February and March, but at least for the next 10 days, looks pretty pleasant. And since we're going early today, we don't have the new 8 to 14-day guidance in. This is typically released about 2:30 Central every afternoon, but this is the one from yesterday. But you get the idea. Still, temperatures will likely be above average through the 18th of February. And let's roll a little Children's of Alabama Kid Cam, what do you say? The little ones. This is at First Baptist Church, Columbiana. This is their kindergarten program. Yes, CBK, I like it. We had a great time today. These kids love to talk about weather, and wow, got the cookies. That's an amazing cake. We had some barbecue. I mean, it was an absolute bonanza. The station loved me when they saw me coming in with all that stuff. But these kids were great. They were great listeners and learners. We had a lot of good times today. We had a lot of laughs, and we learned a lot about thunderstorms. You don't need to be afraid of them. They're good, a vital part of the water cycle. Talked about ways of staying safe. So again, to all of these kindergarten students at First Baptist Church, Columbiana, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You know you guys are looking good. So after this, I've got one more school today. Going to go to Ardent Preschool and Trace Crossings in Hoover. I'll see their little ones here right after this. And then tomorrow, I am going to be at Zion Chapel Elementary School down in Coffee County, South Alabama. And then tomorrow evening, I'll be speaking to the AMS chapter of Millersville University, college students majoring in meteorology. Always love to encourage them. Friday, Pinecrest Elementary in Sylacauga. And then Saturday, I'll be speaking at the Rocket City Weather Fest in Huntsville. That's a great event if you've never been. I'll be speaking, I want to say about 10 o'clock. You search Rocket City Weather Fest on the socials. You'll see the schedule of events there. And then after that, Magnolia Trace Retirement Community in Huntsville. And tonight, hey, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, right across the hall, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.